Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss Nobel Prizes. Nobel Prizes are given in various fields such as physics, chemistry, economic sciences, physiology, literature, and peace. They are presented by different institutions. Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences gives Nobel Prizes in physics, chemistry, and economic sciences. Nobel Prize in Economic Sciences is also known as Sveriges Riksbank Prize in Economic Sciences. Karolinska Institute gives Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine, while the Swedish Academy gives Nobel Prize in Literature, and Norwegian Nobel Committee awards the Nobel Peace Prize. All these prizes except the Nobel Peace Prize are given in Sweden, while the Nobel Peace Prize is given in Norway. Now, let's discuss the 2024 Nobel Prizes. First of all, Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine. It was given to Victor Ambros and Gary Ruvkun for their discovery of microRNAs and its role in post-transcriptional gene regulation. We can learn it by Dr. Gary received Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine. Doctor here rhymes with Victor and Gary for Gary. Next is Nobel Prize in Physics. It was given to John J. Hopfield and Geoffrey E. Hinton for their work on artificial neural networks. So artificial neural networks are like brain only. While the brain has neurons, artificial neural networks have nodes. What they do is they process information, and based on that information, they make prediction or decisions. John Hopfield invented Hope-Filled network, which is a type of neural network. What it does is it stores and reconstructs information like memory system. Geoffrey Hinton invented Boltzmann machine. This machine is an example of generative model. It can create new patterns or example based on what it has learned. We can learn it by using this memory hint. By studying physics, we get hint about fields. So hint is for Geoffrey E. Hinton and fields is for John J. Hopfield. Next is Nobel Prize in Chemistry. It was given to David Baker, Demis Hassabis, and John Jumper. David Baker, basically he worked on computational protein design. He has designed entirely new proteins. While Demis Hassabis and John Jumper, they made a AI model called AlphaFold 2, which predicts the complex 3D structure of proteins. We can learn it that all three of them worked regarding proteins. So we can make up a story to learn their names. So when we bake protein too much, they get damaged and they start jumping. So here bake is for baker, damage is for Demis, and jump is for jumper. Next is literature. So Nobel Prize in Literature was given to Han Kang. She is the first South Korean laureate in literature. Next is Nobel Prize for Peace. So Nobel Prize in Peace was given to Nihon Hidan Kyo, which is an organization of nuclear survivors, which are also called Hibakusha. So they were given this award for their efforts to achieve a world free of nuclear weapons. Next is Nobel Prize in Economic Sciences. It was given to Darren Acemoglu, Simon Johnson, and James A. Robinson for their research on how institutions are formed and how it affects prosperity. So Darren Acemoglu has also written a very famous book called Why Nations Fail. So we can learn this by noting that both Simon Johnson and James A. Robinson have son at the end of their names, while Darren Acemoglu is very famous, so we can learn it. Did you know that Amartya Sen was the first Indian to receive Nobel Prize for Economics in 1998 for his contribution to welfare economics?